The proximity of Sokoto State to the Sahara Desert makes it most vulnerable to the challenges of desertification and wind erosion as a result of the seasonal wind blowing in from the Sahara Desert. One of such seasonal windstorms has caused a devastating disaster in Gwedabawa and Kwere local councils. The windstorm disaster led to the death of 5 persons and destroyed hundreds of households while rendering homeless many residents in affected communities.
As you can see here, this school is situated in Southern Garden of Kwere local government area of Sokoto State. It's one of the structures affected by the windstorm disaster, but most of the structures affected are residential area, and members of this community are calling on government to intervene so that they can quickly return to their abode.
Gidan Kaya is in Gwedabawa local council, where officials of the Sokoto State Emergency Management Agency (SEMA) revealed that over 878 houses were destroyed, affecting 1,306 households, as well as displacing over 7,800 residents. The traditional ruler of the community confirms that several persons sustained injuries, but no life was lost in his community.
The windstorm has caused a devastating damage, with some persons managing to escape death. In this community alone, we have over 40 houses affected. My house is affected. Yes, I agree with you. Lack of trees in this area led to this level of damage. I will surely plant trees here after rebuilding my house.
In Sabon Garin Boro, Malikawa, Kofar Barga, all in Kwere local government, victims also lamented the devastating impact of the windstorm.
I get information about my house, but the time that thing happened, I'm not around in the Nigeria at all. I'm in the Niger. Some of my friends used to send me in WhatsApp. The time that I saw that, I'm not feeling happy. I'm feeling sadness, but I know anything is from God, and that is a destiny.
I felt bad about the incident, but I want to thank God because no life was lost. But it is really painful and we need assistance from the authority.
The community leader of Gidan Kaya, while soliciting the support of government, also called on members of the affected communities to imbibe the habit of free planting to foster future occurrence. Sokoto State Emergency Management Agency says it has since commenced the documentation of all affected persons and property to enable the state and federal government to provide timely humanitarian relief to victims. Suleiman Nasser, Arise News.